To access free topic sheets, worksheets, or to book an online class, visit ilearneasy.co.uk. Is, are. In this video, we will learn the difference between these two words. These are different forms of the verb to be. We can identify which word we need to use by looking at whether the noun in the sentence is singular or plural. Is. We use the verb is with singular nouns, uncountable nouns, and collective nouns. Singular nouns refer to one person, place, or thing. For example, my dog is very cute. So dog is a singular noun. Uncountable nouns are nouns that we can't count. For example, the water is cold. Water is an uncountable noun. Collective nouns refer to a group of people or things that are treated as a single entity. For example, the audience is very loud. Audience is a collective noun. Are. We use the word are with plural nouns, so this refers to more than one person, place, or thing. For example, the birds are flying in the sky. Birds is a plural noun. The children are playing in the playground. Children is a plural noun. My friends are at the park. Friends is a plural noun.